Hi, this is Jose the Barbacuban. As you can see, I have a love affair with grills. If you look over here, I've got my 455 grill, I've got my smoker, I've got my kettle grill, another kettle there. This one's called the Imperial, one of my favorite ones. It actually came out in 1965. If I only could get one grill, it might be this because it's so versatile. I can smoke with it, I can grill with it, and you know, charcoal, it's hard to beat. When I came up with my outdoor kitchen, one of the things I had to do is I had to pick what kind of equipment I was going to be able to run in here. So I did a lot of research, and I'll tell you, I came up with Blaze. And the main reason is this grill here, it's the stainless steel, also the grade of the stainless steel, but the burners, they're cast burners. They get extremely hot. They hold heat, and you got to have that. And it's got a lifetime warranty. When you fire up a grill 3 times a day like I do, I don't use anything else. I mean, I'll do everything with this. You need that lifetime warranty. But I'm gonna tell you what's gonna become my all-time favorite is this flat top. This flat top is awesome. I can sear ahi steaks, I can do reverse sear ribeyes with it, you can make breakfast with it. This one here is probably gonna become my all-time favorite. So we finished it off. We had to have a little fridge because you got friends over, you don't want to come in and out, you're watching the game. So ended up with an outside fridge, also by Blaze, because you got to have an outside fridge. You can't just have a regular one or it won't maintain cool. So as you're grilling, you get a nice cold one and have your friends over and enjoy yourself.